Monitoring indicators. Indicators, as the term suggests, are variables that help to measure changes in a given situation. They are tools for monitoring and evaluating the effects of an activity. Indeed, indicators are the principal means by which a monitoring unit keeps track of extension's capability, effectiveness, and efficiency. Any monitoring system will therefore incorporate the use of appropriate indicators in these four aspects. There are two approaches to indicator development: the inductive and the deductive. In the inductive approach, a system of social, economic, and demographic statistics is created and a wide range of indicators is developed on the basis of the statistics available. This is the approach followed in the case of United Nations Social Indicators, FAO 1988. In the deductive approach, the areas of interest are first identified, and then requisite indicators are developed. Socioeconomic indicators for the World Conference on Agrarian Reform and Social Development, GARD, follow this approach. FAO, 1988. In extension monitoring, both the inductive and the deductive approaches are followed, that is, indicators are developed on the basis of available statistics, and some, for example, performance indicators, are developed as a result of specially collected data. There are different types of indicators, for example, development indicators, socioeconomic indicators, agricultural development indicators, and extension indicators. They range from general to specific concerns. Indicators can be categorized into direct and indirect or proxy indicators, single and unitary or composite indicators, quantitative and qualitative indicators, primary, core, and supplementary indicators, FAO, 1988, input and output indicators, and monitoring and evaluation indicators. The criteria for selecting indicators depend upon the purpose, resources, and time available. The following criteria are usually suggested. Simplicity: the indicator should be simple enough to be understood by non-specialists, FAO, 1988. Unambiguous definition: it should be clearly defined, Castley and Lurie, 1982, Castley and Kumar, 1987. Ready determination: the data can be obtained without undue difficulty, WHO, 1989. This is also referred to as timely. ACC, 1984, infeasible. FAO, 1988, Ga, Hopkins, and McGranahan, 1988. Accurate measurement: the indicator should be measured accurately, which is often difficult when dealing with farming communities, Castley and Lurie, 1982. Validity: the indicator should actually measure what it is supposed to measure, ACC, 1984, FAO, 1988. See also Ga et al., 1988. Relevance: it should be geared to the specific needs of decision makers, Petrie, 1983, and relevant to project objectives, ACC, 1984. Specific: it should reflect changes only in the situation concerned, WHO, 1989, and should measure specific conditions that the project aims to change, Castley and Kumar, 1987. Consistency: the value of indicators should stay constant so long as they are collected in identical conditions, no matter who does the collecting, Castley and Kumar, 1987. Indicators should be objective and verifiable, FAO, 1988. Sensitivity: indicators should be sensitive to changes in the situation being observed. ACC, 1984, p. 38. They should be sensitive enough to reflect changes in the phenomenon, FAO, 1988. Prioritization: indicators should be prioritized and a minimum feasible list prepared, Ga et al., 1988.